Draw a circle by holding Shift and Alt key. Now select pen tool and draw lines. Now make its one duplicate by holding Alt key and press Ctrl plus D for further duplicates. Now select direct selection tool and change the height of these lines randomly. Now select all of these lines and go to Align panel and select Vertical Align Center and press Ctrl plus G to group and click on this circle to make it a key object and Vertical Align Center and Horizontal Align Center. Now select these lines, go to Stroke panel and select Round Cap and increase the stroke weight to 10 points. Now make its one duplicate and change the color of these lines to white and change the stroke to fill, and our icon is ready. How to draw a light bulb icon in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, draw a circle like this and then create a rectangle like this. Now select both these shapes and make circle your key object and align them vertically center. Now go to Pathfinder and unite both these shapes. Now select direct selection tool and select these two live corners and drag them outward like this. Now select these two live corners and round them inward. Now draw a rectangle at the bottom of the shape and round corner like this. Now make two duplicates of this shape by holding Alt key. Now draw a circle like this and make its duplicate 4 to 5 times. Select pen tool and draw a line like this. This is how you can draw a light bulb icon in Adobe Illustrator.